In this video, we'll create a new learning topic from uploaded materials. From there, we choose Create a Topic. On the topic creation screen, we select Upload Resources. This opens the New Topic from Materials screen, where files can be uploaded to generate a new topic. Here, we add a PDF file named neuralnetwork.pdf. We also confirm the communication language so the generated content is presented in the way the learner prefers. Once everything is ready, we start the upload and topic creation process. Learning Clarity first uploads the material, then begins analyzing it with AI. After the analysis step, the platform starts generating subtopic content from the uploaded document. Here, we can see the detected topic: neural networks for natural language processing. As the process continues, Learning Clarity builds the subtopics one by one until the topic structure is ready. When generation is complete, we are taken to the Topic Details page, where all generated subtopics are listed and selected for learning. From there, we choose Start Explain mode. Learning Clarity opens the first subtopic, Foundations of Neural Networks, and begins loading the explanation. Next, we open the Print Save PDF option to export the explanation. Here, the browser's Print and Save dialog appears, allowing the learner to save the explanation as a PDF. The video ends on the exported PDF view for Foundations of Neural Networks. With this flow, Learning Clarity turns uploaded study material into a complete learning topic, generates structured explanations, and makes it easy to save the result for later review.